G'day everyone, welcome back. Josh here, Hug Family Australia. Today we're out the lake. We've got the big bass fisherman here, Ludi, trying to put a red wriggler on a tiny little hook. You nearly need a microscope to do it. Out at Yarrie Lake today. We've got skiers going everywhere. It's packed out here today. The lake's actually pretty well full. This is the barbecue area. Got Eileen here chomping away on chips. People all around. And we're going to see how we go catching some Spangled perch. Maybe some yabbies. We've got Josie over here running around like a rat bag, trying to get this fire going. Hey? Nah, that'll do for now. We've got the fire pit cranking. We've got the waves rolling in.
Yeah, I was swimming.
It's almost like a coastal beach here today. I think my bobber just got a bite. I've just got the little pink rod set up. Got a couple of these, and just with the bobber. And Ludi's already got a bite. We've only literally been here probably 2 minutes with the lines in the water. Got Josie over there. She's got a yabby line out. She's got a yabby line out, and I think she's actually getting a bite on there. Yeah, we'll just see if there's a yabby on it. Skiers going by. This is the rig we're using. It's got a bobber, little split shot, and a little tiny hook with a little tiny red wiggler on the end. So we're getting heaps of bites. Josie had a yabby rod out there with a bit of meat on it that's attracted them. So we're just throwing the floats out around there.
Throw this out.
Yeah, just put it out there near where it was. We're just putting the floats out here near where the meat is, because they're going off on that meat on the hook, on the yabby line. And we've gotten heaps of bites. I got one just a minute ago, but I didn't get it on camera. Josie got one. Oh no. Josie nearly keeps getting one, not quite. Oh, you got one.
I don't know where the meat is. Scared me. Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, what's that fish?
It's a carp.
I got one.
Yeah, do you like to go on this one?
Just pick it up.
Hold up, Josie.
Can it bite me?
That was European carp. That's what we don't want. No good eating. And they're a noxious pest, so you have to kill them and throw them up the bank. Oh, I got one. What a monster, look at that.
What's that?
That's what we're after. That's a little Spangled perch. But that one's too small.
So cute.
I mean, they don't grow very big, but that one's just too small.
It's so cute. Can I hold it?
Unhook him and let him go.
I want to let it go. It's slimy. He's slimy. What did you catch that big one with?
Oh, yeah, that's a keeper.
Huh?
That's a keeper. Oh, yeah, baby. That's small.
Biting the meat.
One little sardine.
Hi guys.
We're packed up on the fishing now. I think we got
Aww. Water. So, something that you can't eat in the wild is paddy melons, which is poisonous. You can eat them, but then you'll die. Okay?
Here we are back in the kitchen. We've got a big catch down here. Come and have a look. They're massive. They're only small, but they are sustainable. They just taking the big breeders out of the water system. All I've done out there is I just gutted them, knocked the guts out in the head, and I haven't taken the scales off yet. Taking the scales off is really easy for these little fellas. And just scales come off. Get some paper towel. Give them a bit of a pat dry. First thing we'll do, just put them in a bit of flour. Just like that. That can go in the rubbish bin. So we're just putting them in a bit of flour. And what I've got here is just some self-raising flour with some cold water and a bit of vinegar. I've got my oil reasonably hot. Just dip them in there. Give them a bit of a wipe off. You don't want it too thick, you only want it on there fairly thinly. Into the hot oil. I probably went a bit backwards then. I probably should have put the bigger one in first. Give all that a bit of a drenching. That's way too much in there. Just want a nice light covering. Just like that. I won't even put any on the inside of that one. Just nice light covering. Lovely, and it won't take long. That's literally all they take, probably a couple of minutes at the most. Just give it a little second to cool down. I'll give you a look in here. Have a look, it's beautiful white meat. There's not much in there, but what is in there is bloody nice. And surprisingly, they've got very little. Give people a look in here. It's beautiful white meat. Oh, it's hot. Beautiful white meat, clean. Smells nice. Look at that. If you like eating yabby, that's just the meat by itself. It's a very neutral, clean fish. Even the skin on it, like that's crispy skin. It doesn't have any fish flavour. The tail fin there, beautiful. Best part. They've actually got quite a bit of meat on them for a little fish. show you how much meat is in here. That's the backbone. That's all meat. When you compare it to a yabby, it's quite a bit of meat in there and no fishy flavour at all. Righto, thanks for watching. Only a few little ones there today, the boats and that stirring them up a bit, so we didn't really do it. We'll leave it there. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.